What's up traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading User Academy. This is Forex User, your trading coach. We'll be doing a live trading session, live analysis and live discussion. So as you know that we do it Monday to Friday, every trading days during this time. So if you're new to the channel or if you're even our followers for some long time, the first thing you can help the channel by giving a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Before I begin, as you know that this is the first week of the month, most of the pairs are giving us really good trading opportunity. Quite a few pairs, including the Euro CHF, as you can see, going to a very important zone. We'll discuss it now, how we can trade all those pairs that are extremely volatile today. We can see that first of all, I want to talk about the Euro CHF. As you know that this is a monthly chart. I'm seeing that Euro CHF going to a very, very important zone, this resistance zone on the monthly. And what I will be really happy to sell Euro CHF after hitting this zone, after giving us a reversal. Quite a few Euro pairs is giving us really good trading opportunity. And then I'll jump onto gold and other currency pairs, how it is doing. Gold is now going up, as you have seen. Early today we opened a trade and again we closed it break even, but it would be worked out. We opened a buy trade and then we closed, and we might open again if we see significant opportunity on gold. So let's first start with Euro CHF, and then we'll go to the gold and Euro dollar and all those pairs. So Euro CHF, what I see that if you look at the monthly perspective, as you know that I always look at the bigger picture, because monthly, weekly will not trade based on these time frames, but when you see those time frame, that will really give you a good way how the market is moving, where is the market is heading, guys and girls. So what you see that Euro CHF basically heading to this monthly resistance. So there is a big bearish candle. You can see that now if we can catch this trade for a bigger profit target, if we hold the trade, it will be a really big trade that we can hold for a long time to have a bigger profit target. Now Euro CHF heading to this very, very important monthly level of resistance zone. You can see that now we see that on the weekly perspective, Euro CHF after the previous week's rejection, the price is heading to this level, which is a long-term resistance zone on the month weekly perspective, which is aligning with this previous support acting as resistance. Now what I think that Euro CHF might create a lower high along this zone, or might create lower high or create a higher high and then could drop. So because it's a long-term bearish, could see a really good move on it. Now daily Euro CHF, you see that this is the move on the daily, big move, the price now well above from 20 period moving average. Now this is the daily doji. You see there is a big rejection during the news announcement. Now we see that Euro CHF is heading to this resistance zone that we are talking about. It's a big resistance on Euro CHF on the daily perspective. You see this is a big move. There's a big doji. Now the same level acted here in the past. This is the support zone here, resistance zone. Okay, so which is heading to this level. Now what we can expect Euro CHF to come test to this zone, to test this previous resistance as resistance, and to give us a big move to the downside. What I think that after going to this zone, Euro CHF will give us a really good trading opportunity. This market is now overextended in a very important area of value. So after this candle, what I think, either this candle, we could see a couple of candles to the upside. You see this zone is where in the past acted here. This is a false breakout area in the past, and that's a really, really important zone that will look for potential shorting opportunity on Euro CHF. I think that this level will be respected. Okay, we might open a trade like that and keeping a target around here. Okay, so it's now going to an important area of value. So we'll talk about it In the meantime, let me check out the chat area, guys and girls. Thank you very much joining all of them. For hi, thank you very much. Xari, hi wizard. Xari, thank you very much. Hi sir, how are you? I'm good, Ahmed. Thank you very much for asking. Can you look at crypto XRP in particular? Look at crypto. Yep, we'll look at crypto as well. I love crypto also. Ibrahim, USD can, yeah, absolutely. Good morning, boss from Costa Rica. Great call on GBP USD. Very good. Thank you very much. Salam to all from Pakistan. Thank you very much. Haidar. Yeah, gold looks good. Bullish. Yep, looks to me as well. Bullish. Good afternoon from beautiful South Africa. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Yeah, South Africa is really beautiful. I love it. I love all over the world. Africa, Asia, Australia, America. The world is beautiful, really beautiful. Snowing, hi sir, good day. Thank you very much, Roger. Also, I love India, Nigeria, South Africa, Pakistan. Every countries are amazing. Good evening, and let me know where you are from. Philippines, all those countries. Really, I visited many of them. I'll visit more. Kakulan Euro AUD, please. Greeting from Granada. Grand Uiza, thank you very much. I took this compliment very much. Hi, thank you very much, Bobby. So, what's your view on Forex funds? Is it good? Forex funds, yeah, you can check them out. My Forex funds, it's good. They are good. Yeah, you can check them out. Hello, coach. Waiting for your analysis. You'll look at it. Hello from Romania. Yep, from Europe. Thank you very much. Can you look at Gbpusd, please? You will look at it. Good afternoon from Ghana. Good afternoon. Greeting, coach. GBP CHF and GBP NZD. You will look at it. Thank you, coach from Uganda. Thank you very much. So let's begin with some of the GBP pairs. Okay, GBP USD. You can look at it. That what we expected. The price broke this level. Now this candle is going to close after 21 minutes. Let me look at bigger perspective, what might happen on the monthly GBP USD. As I mentioned, there is a big rejection from the bottom. This could be this long rejection could be a point of reversal, but in the meantime we might see a lot of up and down, but it's a long-term bearish. Still there is a chance of breakdown. So monthly, now we see some movement to the upside. Look what happened weekly. GBP USD now hitting this doji here. Okay, you see there is a green candle there. This candle could be respected. Already we see a penetration from this level. There is a bearish engulfer on the weekly time frame on GBP USD. Now what I think that this bearish engulfer could be respected. Now let's look at daily. We see the price had a big move up on the daily perspective. You can see that from this zone, and with that big move, the price is now hitting a very important. You see there is a head and shoulder on GBP USD on the daily. Okay, the price is now testing this neckline. What I think that GBP USD bulls might get a little bit of exhausted. What I think that we might see some sideways movement. Could be some exhaustion on GBPUSD. We could see a price or could be exhausted. So look at now 4 hour what it is doing. You see that there is a narrow doji. It's creating a rejection from the bottom. Now very contradictory. You see that on the monthly, weekly, okay, we see one kind of price action on the 4 hour. So this is what happened when the trend changes. It becomes really confusing, because when you see, look at this here, long-term bearish, right? Long-term bearish. Now in the middle, at some point, you see that some point you saw some bullish move, again change of trend. Some point you see some bullish move, change of trend. Some point some bullish move, change of trend. So that is why it is, for me, going against the trend is so difficult, because you can't know when it will start to reverse. Look at this one here, same thing. Let's say up to here, you could say, okay, it's a bullish candle. Okay, every can bullish change of trend until you see this what you have seen. Where is the replay? Why it's here? Okay, until why is like that? Okay, maybe. Okay, so until, all right, let me. Okay, anyway, it's gone here until we see this big long candle. Okay, that dropped. So what I'm expecting on Gbpusd, either to give a solid bullish price action, or so this one, this market now you see some showing bullish price action as a post-trade analysis early today is still creating a bullish pattern, but we need to keep in mind that the price is hitting this important level of which is previous support, acting here as resistance. So that is why it is important that we stay very careful when we are taking a bullish trade on this one. Now how I will be trading is, what I will be doing is to take a bullish trade, I need this price to get down further, okay, at least to this level, all right, to have a breakdown and then either give us a double bottom or any kind of momentum showing that okay, it's still wanna go up. So what do I mean by this? Let me give you an example. Let's go to the gold and then I'll show you. You see that gold when moving here, see it's moving here like locally uptrend, globally downtrend, and then what happened? Look at this, the price suddenly break down, right, with back-to-back two red candles, created a double bottom. So that's a sign that this trend wants to continue. Okay, double bottom means that it has grabbed the liquidity and then it wants to continue to go up, right? So that's a sign that gold is, want to go up. All right, so that's how it works. Now on Gbpusd, let's go back to Gbpusd. Now for me to go long Gbpusd, what I need is either a breakdown, okay, and then after that breakdown, if I see that again showing bullish price action, I will go long. On the other hand, if I see like that, you see that there is a big breakdown followed by slow retracement, I will sell. So basically the main point is first need to break the local structure, okay, and then we'll know what it is trying to do. Either it is going to go up again or it wants to come back down again to continue its downtrend. So let's see what happened. In the meantime, you know that there is a news coming today. Let's go to the Forex factory. Well, it's our website, not this one. Forex factory, okay. So Forex factory calendar news is coming up later today, 1 a.m. Sydney time, which is around 1 hour and 15 minutes from now. So there is a news coming on, USD, the next candle will face it, and that news could give us some good trading opportunity, and we'll cover that news as well in this live session, guys and girls. Let me look at the chat. Good evening from Nairobi, Kenya. Thank you very much. Good evening from Sydney. Good afternoon, Coach. Uncle Harry from Patricia, South Africa. Your market updates are always highly appreciated. Thank you very much. How are you? Thank you. AUD CAD, sir. No problems. AUD CAD, AUD NZD. I'll look at it. Good afternoon, Coach from Nigeria. So good afternoon. Snowing Euro, AUD and Euro CAD. Yeah, CAD CHF. We'll look at it. Mohammed, thumbs up, guys. Thank you very much. Galaxy morning, all from Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you very much for joining from such a listener. Looking at liquidity gap 1742 gold Dan drop. Yeah, we'll look at it. Hello, Coach. An amazing channel, YouTube history about Forex trading. Thanks, Coach. God bless you. Please cover the AUD CAD PLC. Thank you very much for mentioning that. Yeah, absolutely. Forex Trading Wizard Academy is one of the best trading education you will find out there. We are committed to help the trader to become independent, to become the best trader possible. Now first let's look at AUD/NZD and we'll look at AUD/CAD. So AUD/NZD, we have opened a position, short position on AUD/NZD, and also I posted this analysis to the community. Now what I think that AUD/NZD might break down. Okay, there is a high probability. The reason is, if you look at the monthly perspective, AUD/NZD has really a strong bullish move, and we can expect further deeper retracement on AUD/NZD because this is an absolutely highly bullish market. But as you can see, this is a very overextended market. If you take your Fibonacci from the low to the high, what I think that this price, at least it should come down to 38.2% Fibonacci level. That can give us a really good trading opportunity. Weekly perspective, we see that AUD/NZD started after this big drop. The price has started to drop for a retracement. So what I think that on the weekly perspective, AUD/NZD is high probability that should come down. Now daily, the price action to me is bearish. You see this price action, it has created a big move correction. Now so we see a structure. Now this structure is bullish, but what I am expecting on AUD/NZD, that because we see on the higher time frame some possibility for drop, and also in this 4-hour time frame you can see that there's a long wick candle, rejection, again another long wick candle. So all those candle creating series of lower high, and what I am expecting for AUD/NZD, after closing of this candle, the price to come back down, have a spike, and that is where we can take our profit as soon as it will do that, and we are expecting on that. AUD/CAD, this is the trade that we are still running from long time. As you know, the starting of the weekend we started, and what I think that AUD/CAD, as you know, that monthly perspective, this is a bearish market. Weekly we have seen back-to-back bearish engulfer doji. Now we saw rejection from the top. What I would say that on the daily we see that there is a 20 period moving average retest twice. Now according to our trend following strategy, it's giving a sell signal, and that is what happened. Now this trend following strategy indicator is available for our VIP students who are in our lifetime member in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Will be able to use that in their trading view platform. Now what I think that you see, the price has created this price action is highly bearish, strong movement correction, and this correction you see that it's a structure, it's a bearish price action. With that structure also it has created double top, and what I'm expecting AUD/CAD to melt to the downside. We extend our profit target on AUD/CAD. What I think that even after this candle close, we could potentially see some movement to the downside on AUD/CAD, and I'm expecting it to happen. So as soon as it will happen, we'll trade it. So this is one with AUD/CAD. We already running a trade. We might add up. Let's see how this candle close. We might find a short-term selling opportunity, guys, on AUD/CAD. It's 9 minutes later, it's dropping. Let me look at hourly. Okay, so from this zone, let me look at. So we might be able to find some short-term selling. Okay, let's see what happened in 8 minutes time. If we see this candle is closing a little above in this zone, we could find a short-term couple of pips profit. We can take it. Around 25 pip at least we can target. Okay, daily. 25 pip, 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 Okay, let's see what happened after 5-6 minutes. We'll come back to this pairs, guys. In the meantime, let me look at now gold. Okay, gold is doing its job as expected. Now look at this, guys. This is a liquidity graph. This is what I mentioned in my analysis also. As I mentioned, you open a trade and then you closed it, break even, because on the hourly what happened is that you see there is a liquidity grab happen on the hourly. It was a false breakout. Most of the time reversal happen. That is why I'm very cautious about, you know, trading against the major trend. Now gold, after this hourly candle, we closed the trade without any loss. Some of you may have done some profit who didn't close early, but now what I'm expecting on the gold to close this one as a like this, as a bullish candle, which will grab the liquidity from here. So that's a sign that we might see some movement on gold to the upside. Okay, which is the candle is still 1 hour 7 minutes remaining to close. We will cover that candle as well. So if we see this one closing as a bullish candle, we might find some bullish opportunity, guys, on gold. But in the meantime, guys and girls, everybody give a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and also don't you can join the free Telegram channel where I share my sometime trade ideas and promotions and everything. You can go to the description and join the free Telegram channel to find all the latest information from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And at the same time, if you want to learn our strategies and also trade with me every single day, you can find a link in the description area. Visit the website. You can join Forex Trading Wizard Academy to trade with us and learn our strategies. Let me look at now, guys, what's happening with Ibrahim USD CAD. Please have a look at it. Elizar, hi sir, AUD, NZD and AUD CAD, we discussed it. Good afternoon, coach from Lagos. Good afternoon. Tabzar said, coach, I joined Lifetime last week. I would like to thank you for creating such a great academy. God bless you. Thank you, Tabzar. Thank you very much for your appreciation. Yeah, that's the goal of this academy. All right, to create the best trader possible, and I'm committed to do that. I'm working towards it. Keep in mind that there is a saying that there's an old saying, it says that everything is it's a journey. Okay, so it's a journey, it's not a destination. Being a trader also is a journey. Okay, so if you understand this concept, you will never be hopeless. You will move forward with greater dream. So Forex Trading Wizard Academy also is a journey. There will be a time, okay, there will be a time you will see in Sydney a tower like this, okay, a tower like this with a big foundation written Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Okay, and you will be the part of that academy for the rest of your life. I'm telling you, Forex Trading Wizard Academy, not only in Sydney, in all around the world, there will be a tower to create traders, to get freedom, because this is the dream of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Look, there is only one thing I saw. The school, college, university, I have gone through all of them, and if most of you have gone through all of them, what we have seen that basically is we are taught to serve everything except ourselves, and as a result, most of us remain unhappy in life. You know why unhappy? Because we forget who we are. And to realize who we are, you first need to gain freedom. Okay, freedom. And the freedom, the first freedom comes from the freedom financially free. To gain freedom, you first need to attain financial freedom. Because without financial freedom, in fact, you can't You can't imagine freedom, right? How can you imagine freedom without financial freedom? If you don't have money to pay the bills, if you don't have money to do the things that you want to do, then you will end up doing a lot of jobs that maybe you don't like to do. And that take all the energy you will give away. So to gain freedom, you first need your energy to be with you. Okay, so there is this concept is explained there is a book called Reality Trust Surfing, okay, written by a quantum physicist. He says that if you want to create a life that you want to create, a dream life that you are dreaming with big, a life that you really dream of, right? You want to dream, you want to travel the country, you want to create a peaceful house, you want to sleep there, you don't want to worry about the bills, right? Everybody wants that. To do that, what you need is energy. Okay, you need energy. Now this energy comes, so where does this energy comes? Your body generates this energy from food, from thinking, from all of that. And where this energy going is taking by, there's a term called pendulum. Pendulum is like it's an analogy, but basically you are giving away energy to outside where you don't like the things, right? Let's say you are doing a job that you don't like. If you brutally be honest, you'll see that the job you are doing you don't like, right? You're brutally honest, let's say. Then when you do the job that you don't like, you're basically giving away your energy there. Then how can you create the life you want? And school, university, college teaches us how to do that job that you don't like, because they program you to do that. Now, to overcome that, this Forex Trading Wizard Academy will be established all over the world. Everywhere there will be a branch, big building, a luxurious office where the goal will be is to train the trader to create the life they want, so that they can retain their energy, so that they can fulfill their purpose in this world. And that is the goal of this. So if you are a lifetime member, you will be there forever. All the resources until you are alive. And there will be some technology come in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy is cutting edge. Over time it will come. Okay, it's my commitment to you, all of you. So that is why I'm telling that it's a journey. Okay, it's not a destination. Life also is a journey. So let's now start with some other pairs. Let's look at British Pound US dollar as expected. Now this candle is going to close. Okay, so let's go back to AUD CAD again. Okay, AUD CAD, let's do a small scalping trade on AUD CAD. Okay, are you ready? Let's couple of pips. Let's place our pending. Okay, let's sell from here. All right, stop loss here. It is just a scalping trade. Okay, don't worry about the risk to reward. So what we'll be doing is we will be taking 20p profit from this trade, and we'll keep the running 2% risk. Okay, 2% risk. We'll take, let me open that mine. So we'll take 20p profit from this trade. Okay. All right, so AUD CAD will take 20p profit on AUD CAD. All right, 20p profit. We might see some upward move here. All right, but what I'm expecting AUD CAD to drop to this level at 0.88233 level. Okay, so this is the short-term trade that we have opened for 20p profit target. Now keep in mind, today I will release a video on why I take this trade like that. Listen, no one will tell you this. Keep in mind that trading is all about probability. Okay, probability. Now if you see a trade is to happen, let's say AUD CAD, the price to come to this zone before going there, the probability is 95%. Okay, so if the 95% probability that I will get 20 pip, why shouldn't I take this? So this is the thing that no one will tell you, because the trading education out there will not tell you this, because when you lose money, they make money. All right, so make sure that you understand what I'm saying. You see, you are already how many pip profit on a UD we are 4 pip, 5 pip profit. All right, so let it be profit for 20 pip, and from here you could see an uprise, downrise, but we will hold the trade until we get 20 pip profit on AUD CAD. All right, so let's begin our journey as a wizard, being a forex wizard, but keep that running and we'll see next what happened. Let's look at the gold now. Okay, the candle closed. Let me look at quickly all the pairs that to see what's happening. Just looking at all of them to see who did what. Okay, UD and ZD. I strongly believe that we might see some upward move, but let's keep it on. Euro AUD. Okay, let me look at Euro AUD weekly. It has broken the weekly high. All right, monthly. Euro AUD is notoriously bearish, but it has gone up to hit the monthly previous support, acting as a resistance. Okay, let me look at the weekly, daily. All right, so this one keep aside. All of this now has gone up. Okay, Euro CHF. Now, as I told you that Euro CHF, I want to see the price has gone to this monthly resistance level, and then we'll sell Euro CHF. Okay, guys, so Euro GBP, let me look at all of them to see if anyone has any awesome trading opportunity. We have already opened one. Okay, looks like that GBP CAD looks like still bullish. Okay, we have seen still bullish move here. Daily, yeah, very strong breakout. Okay, 4 hour. This is bullish engulfer. It's a weakless. No, there is a weak little bit, but bullish engulfer followed by this kind of doji. It's basically a bullish setup. Okay, so we might see after going up, coming down, and then going up like that. For me, GBP CAD is a bullish setup. GBP USD, GJ, we might see some downward move, but it's still bullish. Okay, gold, it's bullish. NZD CAD, NZD CHF. Just looking at all of them. USD CHF. Okay, USD CNHS. All right, now USD CNHS, we placed our pending order here, didn't trigger, but the price now formed. It is a sell signal now. Okay, so let me look at first what happened with the UD CAD. Okay, UD CAD, we targeted 20 pip. All right, now it is coming down. How many pip profit? 5 pip profit. Let it come down. USD CNHS, I don't know how many of you can trade USD CNHS in your brokerage. Okay, but what I think that this one is from a daily 20 period. Okay, what looks like that USD CNHS is preparing for a bigger move to the downside. All right, guys, so let's look at, okay, AUD CAD. After coming down, it will go up again. That's how the market moves. So AUD CAD, what it will do to coming certain level, let's say up to here, it will go up. Probably even it could go there and could come down. Okay, so guys and girls, keep in mind that this is only for educational purpose. All right, it's not any kind of, I'm not advising you, I'm not a financial advisor, or I'm just a trader. I'm helping you to learn trade. Anyone taking any risk based on this trade or any kind of trade, it's completely your own risk, and you have to manage your risk. If you this is your own responsibility if you are taking any big risk based on what I have said so far. So it's only for educational purpose, to help you learn to trade. Okay guys, so now let me look at again all of these pairs. Okay, going back to USD CNHs. You see that USD CNHs, has gone up, even it has broken historical high. All right, so historical means the data that we have in TradingView until 2011. So it has gone up and then has rejected, so we could potentially see further move down on USD CNH. On the weekly we have seen this doji, on the daily we have seen a big move. On the 4 hour, this is the candle that has formed on the 4 hour, which is highly bearish guys. Okay, this is a bearish candle. What I think that from here, after going up a little bit, we could see USD CNHs is melting down. Now as we are running a trade on AUD CAD, we might not, because this is the trade that we are just mentioning in this YouTube live, but look at the daily. Okay, so now let's look at USD CNHs. Okay, so what we will do is, keep in mind, if your brokerage allow, then only we'll sell USD CNHs. Stop loss above this high and take profit will be 2 to 1. Okay, and I'll send the same trade to our Gbpusd students, because this one we haven't sent. Yes, but if your brokerage doesn't allow, keep in mind USD CNHs is a exotic pair. If anyone, it's only for educational. Okay, 7.05946. Okay, so we sold USD CNHs. This is the stop loss, entry here, take profit here. Now I will explain why I have taken this trade. It's only to teach you. Keep in mind, take this trade in demo account. Okay, don't take a big risk. It's just for educational purpose. All right. Okay, so AUD CAD we targeted only 20 pip. All right, so this 20 pip, keep in mind, that's how trading is. Because we targeted 20 pip, I manage the risk. Now until I hit the 20 pip, I will not close the trade. All right, that's how I trade. It could be tomorrow. All right, but this is, if you look at the daily. All right, let me tell you why I have opened this AUD CAD trade in that way. Look, this is the daily chart, right? what happened in the daily chart is that the price basically, look at the high of the daily, creating series of lower high, right? Now this is the daily candle, which is a strongly bearish, a very strong bearish candle. Now what it could do, that the price later today, it could dwell in this zone, all right? But at any point, if it doesn't hit 0.8823, it should come by tomorrow at least to come to hit the profit target. And that's how, you know, I try to find the high probability trade setup. Now the way I trade is very different from any other trader. Okay, so let's look at USD CNHS. Looks like that. So if it breaks USD CNHS, it will melt. Okay, and that melting will take the advantage. Now let me explain. See, later today after the live stream, make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe button, so that you are notified what I'm releasing in my channel. So after the live stream, there will be video will be released. I will explain how this risk reward and probability works. Let me quickly give you an idea. See, today I have watched that video as well. Risk reward is, let's say you have taken a trade, right, with 20 pip stop loss. That is why I'm telling that Forex Trading Wizard Academy is unique all in the world. 20 pip stop, no one will tell you this secret. 20 pip stop loss, you took a trade, right? 20 pip stop loss. Your profit target is 100 pip, right? Your profit target is 100 pip. That means that you target 100 pip, your risk is 20 pip. 5 times profit target, right? 5 times profit target. Risk to reward is 1:5. To happen this, the probability to happen this is could be less than 20% or maybe 30%. So what does it mean? It means that out of 10 trades, you have to accept probably 8 losing trades, 7 losing trades, and that is really difficult for a new trader or a retail trader. It's really hard. As a human being, I experienced that. I couldn't take that many losing trades. So then how you will gain, you'll overcome this problem is by focusing on probability. So how do you focus on probability? Find a trade that has a very high probability. Forget about the risk to reward. Forget about everything. Ask yourself that before it go to my stop loss, how much probability for this trade to come to my profit target? You got my point? Let me explain again. How the probability works is, ask yourself one question, that before it goes to my stop loss, how much probability is to come to my profit target? And that is how probability works. So if the probability is more than 90%, okay, you can take even a 1:2, I can say that 1:0.6 risk to reward ratio trade, even a good trade. So that's how probability works. Okay, so that is very important to know, that you are not losing money, instead you are making money. Let me look at USD and HS. Okay, so you see some probably movement on, okay, a little bit movement up and again coming down. So let's see what happened. This one, as I told you, it's only for educational purpose, so I'll suggest you to take the trade on a demo, and then we'll see what happened. Okay, in the meantime, guys and girls, let me look at chat. See, I do take a trade with a high risk. You see this one, I put 2 times profit target. That means on this one, our risk in USD CNHS is different. 200 pip, or profit target is around 398 pip. Okay, so depending on situation, normally I change my risk to reward. I normally try to apply the probability instead of risk to reward. If I see a trade, let's say 50% probability, which I can take with 1 to 2 risks to reward, it's a good trade, right? That's how trading works. You need to combine probability with risks to reward so that you can gain a good profit in your trading. Let me look at NAS100. You look at it here, NAS100. Yeah, Robert, hi coach Danko from your education, it's worth it, from Nigeria. Thank you very much, Danko. Robert, very good, thank you. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks for analysis. USDCHF turning out perfectly. Absolutely, thank you very much. This is what it is. So either USD, yeah, no problems. Kakon, good afternoon, sir, from France. Yep, good afternoon. Showing AUD CAD. Yep. MD Monirul Islam. Hi, sir. Thank you very much. Need some money to. Okay. Hi, sir. Good day. I encourage your best wishes. No problem. Thank you very much for your wish. Euro dollar. Yeah. Thank you very much. Can you look at GJ? Yeah, look at it. GJ, sir. Any signal? Yeah, we already has posted signals on our channel as well. What do you think about GJ? Okay, so we'll look at it now. So Kingsley, there is USD news coming in the next hour. Yep, there is a USD news coming in the next hour. So other than USD CNHS, yeah, I'll release video on the dashboard. Yeah, absolutely. Always up to 50% of structure. No problems. Thank you very much. So thank you very much. So let's look at now what's happening with GJ. Okay. Now GBP/JPY. First, let's look at the monthly. Okay. All right. Now GBP/JPY, guys, on the monthly perspective, it is in a resistance level. Okay. Monthly perspective, it is in a resistance level, guys. The reason is, you see that this is a monthly doji, long doji, and the price, as soon as the monthly open and closed in the same place, we have seen some spike to the upside. Okay. Now what I think that GBP/JPY, this is the monthly chart. Let's look at weekly, because when the monthly just starting, it might be difficult for you to understand. Now weekly perspective, which is just second day of the week, we see that some movement in the market. Okay, so we have seen upward move on GBP/JPY. So what I think that on GBP/JPY, we could see some, you see this is a resistance level here. So from that zone, let me look at the daily. So daily, the price is a big move happen, broke all this resistance. The price just tested this previous resistance, support acting as resistance. Okay, guys. So what I think that let me look at 4 hour. We see a doji. I think we could see some movement down on GJ. Okay, the price, look at this, a very important level of resistance zone here, heading on this resistance, and from this resistance, this is a previous support zone acting as resistance. Okay, and from that resistance we have seen a rejection. So in the meantime, guys, look at the AUD CAD. What happened? Okay, AUD CAD, we want 20 pip on this one. Let me look at 4 hour. Okay, so some movement happening down, that's what we need. Okay, it's coming down, that's good. So we'll close our trade at 20 pip profit, guys, and then I'll tell you why I have opened this. I already told. Okay, I want to give some profit to boys. We will just see any shares sum up. No, I strongly believe that it will come back down again. I'll look at AUD CAD again. Okay, AUD CAD. All right. So okay, so yeah, it's coming. Okay, so let the profit target hit. Okay, come down. So see, in my like, I try to trade with high probability than anything else, so that the trade comes down, hit the target. It's the main goal. Okay, guys, are you enjoying? Give a big thumbs up. All right, give a big thumbs up. We are almost how many p profit now? We are 13-14 p profit. So it's a 20 p profit target. And then I'll tell you again what is the reason behind this trade. These things no one will tell you. As I told you, I learned it in a very hard way. Okay, from a lot of mistakes, a lot of ups and downs, because the real education, the real trading education is not given to the retail trader. Because when you know the real thing, okay, you know the secret, and they don't want to know that. Being honest with you, because if, see, trading is like, okay, let me first look, trading is like, let's say, it's like a buyers and sellers, right? If you are a buyer, someone need to sell to you, right? If you're a seller, someone need to buy to you. So if you know if you become smarter in trading, then on the other side someone will lose money, right? So that's a very important concept that you need to understand. So that is why probability is very important in trading. And okay, first so we are now So we are around 14 pip profit. So our target is 0.8823. Now, okay, now the price at 0.882625. So 2 pip ahead, 2 pip more. Just let it go down 2 pip and then we'll close our profit. I mean that it will automatically hit the profit target. So yeah, 1 pip. Okay guys, so it's hitting the profit target almost. Okay guys, so 1 pip ahead. Okay, just okay, it hit the profit target. All right, so you gain 20 pip on this trade. 20 pip. Now, so 20 pip profit we have secured from this trade, and that is what I was trying to understand from the beginning. The trading, how these things works is like, it's all about probability. Okay, so what is, let me delete this. Okay, so 20 pip. Let's remove this one here. Let's move it here. Okay. Now guys, so what I was telling you, that when you trade, ask yourself one question: what is the probability behind this trade? Many people, we think that randomly opening a trade and then going behind it, that doesn't work that way. You have to find out the risks to like in relation to risks to reward. You need to find out the what is the probability to happen, what you are trying to do, and that is how you can find a high probability trade setup. Now with USD CNHs, which is almost there, let's see what happened. This one, as I told you, if your brokerage doesn't allow, then don't open. Okay, so we secure profit on AUD CAD. On this one, we are running already one trade on VIP group, which is running in profit. We'll keep running. We extended that profit target on that one. This one we just open as a, this one we have opened as a scalping trade, just to have 20 pip profit in this live stream, so that you can learn trading, you understand the probability. Let me look at the chat, what's happening. Haider, thank you Haider, hopefully you made money. Euro USD, could you please look up euro dollar? You look at it. Thanks millions for a UDCAD Malaysia. Thank you very much. Thank you coach, no problems. Loda, look at a UDCAD trade. Thanks, you are filled with knowledge we meet. Thank you very much Galaxy one. Please look at Eurusdjpy. See, this is the goal of this academy. As the beginning, this is what I told you, that this Forex Trading Wizard Academy is going to be the world best trading academy, because I see that the education that traders getting is not the real education, in fact. Okay, so to become a real trader, you need the real education. That real trading education is there, okay, because it's created from the place of hardest space, Forex Trading Wizard Academy. It's not from any other place. So if you want to be a part of this academy for the rest of your life, you can find a link in the description. You can visit the website. Okay, there is a lot of value in it. Also, there is some tools coming. Okay, there is already we converted our trend following or TF strategy into an indicator which is at work. So anyone in our academy will be able to use this indicator who are our lifetime member in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Let's look at NAS100 to see what's happening. We see that there's a big spike happen on NAS100. Let me look at it monthly. There's a big uprise. What I think that we could see now, this is a long term, guys, you know that it's a long term downtrend, right? I'm not gonna buy until I see clear price action. Weekly perspective, we have seen some movement from bottom, so which is healthy in a trending market. You can expect a retracement. Now looking at the daily, the price already hitting this resistance. We might see a daily 20 EMA retest, something like this one, which is not unusual. 4-hour perspective, we have seen a movement happen, and what I think that when the price started to go up, it might go up, so it might even go up there. It's not impossible. Okay, so then how I will be trading? I can't in fact tell you that the price will go this way or that way. Instead, I will be looking for a potential price action confirmation. First of all, if I see that this resistance is broken completely, okay, this is the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. If this resistance is broken completely, then if I see that the price testing this resistance as a support and going up, then I will consider longing. On the other hand, if I see a strong rejection from the top, okay, then I will be shorting. So basically how these things work is like that. See, when you see a movement like that, a big impulse, smaller correction, buy. Simple. You can't focus on many things, right? Simple, I'm telling you. A big impulse, opposite direction of the trend, smaller correction, buy, or something like that. A big impulse, opposite direction of the trend, big impulse down, smaller correction, sell. Just do it as a like affirmation. You will see that how easy it becomes. Big impulse hitting any kind of important zone, smaller correction, buy. Big impulse up, big impulse down, smaller correction, sell. Simple. Okay, so with that in mind, see now NAS100 has done this impulse, right? It's a big impulse, right? Now if I see smaller correction testing this level, creating a series of higher low, I'll buy. Now on the other hand, if I see it has broken this level and then immediately with a big candle came down, creating a smaller candle, I'll sell. See, this is how trading works. Let me give you a couple of examples so that you understand what I mean. Look at this one here. You see, it's in fact an impulse. It's a big impulse. If you just expand the chart, you see that. You see big impulse, smaller correction, like the smaller candles, long wick candles, buy. You see, and again at some point the same thing is happening. Look at this. Make it segmented, then it's easy. You see big small, after the big impulse, a smaller correction, buy. Now what happened? Look at this one here, big drop. All right, big drop, smaller correction, sell. Look at this, what happened, and after that, simple. Right? So you have to simplify the indicator, this and that. Nothing will give you able to give you the correct signal for trading. So that is what I will be waiting on NAS100, okay, to see what's happened. Let's look at USD CNHs, guys. So USD CNHs again came back to some profit. As you have seen, we have secured profit on AUD CAD, okay, which is 20 pip profit. Now again, I'm coming back to this trade is because what you gave you profit might your brain remember. And I'm repeating that again. I'm a trader very different than any other trader, because it is said that the normal doesn't make money in trading. It's a very important concept. A big shout out for trader Tom. Long ago I heard from him. I don't know much about him, but his trading psychology, I don't have any other relationship with him, nor neither like I'm not getting benefited from him or anything like that. Just I'm telling, his name is trader Tom. Some of his trading psychology video that I have watched long ago is really helpful. He's a trader from his word, I understand. So okay, so we'll talk it. Okay, now he says that the normal doesn't make money in trading. In fact, it's true. Okay, so you have to think always differently. Look, the thing is that always you need to find a trade that is a high probability, so that you don't lose money. You have to accept the loss, but try to lose less, okay, and gain more. So to be in that side, you always need to look for high probability trade setup. Okay, it's very important that you look for that, and that is how you can become. So once you are in trading for a long time, you watch the chart, you stick till to the game for a long period of time, then you will know that actually which trade is high probability, which trade is low probability, and you can get the profit out of the table easily whenever you see that. Okay, so you know that to learn more about this kind of stuff, so that you can make pips like you have seen in the live session, though it's educational, but still it's pips, isn't it? Then you can learn my strategies. You can visit the website. I'll suggest you to join my lifetime access. So there is a lot of benefit joining lifetime. There are trading tools, risk management tools, there are more comings, and there is an awesome indicator that is developed based on our trend following strategy, will be available to use in TradingView. So if you are a lifetime member, you will be able to access that indicator from your student dashboard. Will add you in TradingView once you join. So with that in mind, guys, let me look at the chat how it works. So coach, I haven't got money for lifetime and yearly subscription. If I pay monthly subscription, will get signals like what? Yeah, absolutely, you'll get everything what other gets. There's no discrimination. Absolutely. Superhero, yes, I'm also monthly for now. Yeah, no problems. Awesome. Anyone wants to upgrade to from monthly to lifetime, anytime you can do that. After a month, very good. Haida, thank you very much. That's awesome. Great to know that you guys and girls are awesome. Okay, so let's look at now. Go back to gold again. So there is news coming on, I think after 1 hour, after 20 minutes. So after this news, we could find some trading opportunity, and that gold candle will close on that news. So let's see what happened. Okay, let's look at crypto, what's happening with BTC. Looking at monthly, guys, BTC is in a sideways movement. What I think that now, you see after the monthly close, you see some movement to the upside. I don't think it's a bullish move on BTC. What I think that the price basically is going to test this long wick. There's a long wick on the monthly. We see that this is the long wick on the monthly on BTC. Okay, so with that long wick, what I think that the price might test this middle of this week on the monthly. If we look at the weekly, so this is what happened on the weekly. There is a bearish engulfer followed by a couple of weeks, 3 weeks retracement. And what I think that the price will do on BTC USD is go up, will test this zone, and from here we could see a rejection on BTC USD, and that could be a very zone for selling. So it's going to a zone where we can sell. Look, BTC USD, what I think that it might move in a sideways range, but this is how we can trade. It's when it is ranging, we'll be able to trade it. Now BTC USD, if it goes above this level anytime, if I see any kind of spike, I'll be selling. Now you see this is the daily big rejection from top, and where I am expecting BTC USD to go there to give me a selling opportunity, and then I'll be selling from here. Okay, we do send some crypto signals as well. In the meantime, guys and girls, can you let me know how many of you, just I want to know how many of you trade only Forex, how many of you trade crypto Forex, and how many of you trade crypto Forex indices and all other instruments. Just want to know so that I can help you better. It's really helpful. Let me know in the chat how many of you, so you can write only Forex, or you can write crypto Forex, or you can write only crypto or indices, like that, so that I know actually what's your goal is. So GBP CHF, let me look at what's happened with this one here. Okay, what's happening? You see this doji, guys. GBP CHF is creating a doji. Now in case if the price closes like that as a doji on GBP CHF, I might short, because if you look at the monthly, this is extremely weekly, that's an awesome, daily, 4 hour. Okay, so we might see some consolidation. Leave it, keep it aside. Okay, see, wow. Okay, Chiliberry, I don't know how to access the indicator. Okay, Chiliberry, if you are our lifetime member, email info@Forex Trading Wizard Academy, your TradingView username will be adding to the indicator. So we'll add you, and then you can use it. Email us your TradingView username. Gold, yeah, please. Crypto, very good. I only trade euro dollar, only Forex, yeah, dollar yen, only Forex, very good. Only gold, only trade Forex, very good. Crypto and Forex, awesome. Where's this sheet? This, okay. Forex pairs demo account only. I'm beginner, don't want to lose money because for money is hard. Very good, feeling, very good, very good. That's awesome. NAS100 only, please. Yeah, Forex indices all very good. Review on NAS100 Forex, yeah, Forex and indices, very good. High coach only Forex, very good. Yeah, that's good, very good choice, guys. Awesome. I also do the same thing, okay, because I'm a full-time trader. So you know, I trade Forex full-time all the time, crypto, indices, gold. I love gold trading, as well as you have seen some of my gold analysis, and yeah, that's what I love. So let me look at now, let's see oil. Now oil, we see some upward movement. Look at the monthly. From this monthly level of support, we have seen some move to the upside. As you can see, gold over the long term, it's a bullish, but we have seen a big drop. Now because it's a big drop, we can expect now significant retracement to the upside on gold, pardon me, oil. Looking at the weekly, after the previous week's doji, we have seen as expected a push up. Now because you know that the market created like that, we may see bigger uprise. Daily, we have seen that there is a double bottom here. Okay, there's a double bottom, and then we have seen an uprise. So the price in a zone where there is a very important area. So I think that we might see some upward movement on this one on the 4-hour perspective. Okay, so it's a long-term downtrend, guys. Now the price is going up until we see something like that. You see big move up, big move down. I will be waiting for a reversal, because from this top I'm not gonna buy oil. If I see clear, uptrend, that means that if I see that liquidity grab and then again uptrend, then I will buy only. Otherwise I'll wait for a reversal and then we can sell oil after giving us a clear sell signal. Okay guys, so let me see. Hello coach, I'm late today. No problem, Rizvan, no worries. You missed the AUD CAD 20 pip, but you can review the review after end of the session, then you can see what happened. For instance, I don't know what things. First profit AUD CAD, very good. I trade only Forex. Thanks again. My first profit AUD CAD. Thank you very much. That's good. I love that. Coach, should it keep trading due to coming news? Mohammed, so should keep trading. Yeah, so if you are trading we don't have any USD open trade, so should be fine. AUD CAD may not be impacted with that news very much, but if you are trading USD pairs, because the news will impact the USD, so if you are trading USD pairs, then I'll say that I don't know what kind of trade you have. In case if your stop loss is near or your profit target is like you are running in profit, I will say that close, because it's normally high impact news may create a lot of volatility. In the past we have seen that sometimes we had a good profit but it takes away due to the news. So better take the profit and wait for the news to be released, and then you can trade again. Okay, I trade Akilu for very good. Hello Wizard, I'm a member from the UK. Can you confirm the profit target for AUD that you send via Telegram, please? Yeah, the profit target for AUD, we increase the profit target for AUD CAD is 87.87228. So 0.87228 is the new profit target for AUD CAD. We increase the profit target. We already closed a small profit on today, and I'm beginner and it's difficult to find a simple winning strategy. Mark, I understand it's for the beginners, it's really difficult to find a simple winning strategy. What I would suggest you, first thing you can do is, first of all, look for, first try to understand the foundation. Okay, we do have foundation trading course in our VIP channel. Okay, if you are in any plan in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, monthly, yearly or lifetime, the foundation course is included. The only difference with the lifetime is that the premium strategies, the advanced strategies, not included there. So if you want to join our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you learn. If you don't want to join, that's completely fine, it's up to you. I'll say to you, master one strategy. Okay, master one strategy and then back test is very important. Take a spreadsheet like that. Okay, take a spreadsheet and then take a lot of demo trade and then back test it. Okay, back test it and then use it over and over again. Okay, but if you join our academy, it becomes much more easier for you. I know that as a new trader, most of us lose money, but there is nothing in our academy that, like, nothing means I'm saying that the payment that you will be paying is nothing in comparison with the value it brings. It's enormous value in this academy. You see this this TF indicator, this trend following indicator, which is a strategy that you will be learning. Look at this, how this indicator is performing. See the two buy signal that you will get from this indicator, exactly where you buy, and you hold it and see what happened. And this is our TF or trend following strategy indicator. If you in our academy lifetime member, you will be able to access this. We're adding you in your trading view platform for now, and we are working on it to bring it for MT4 as well. So yeah, with that said, let's look at, okay, so this is the USD CNHS trade that we have opened. So once it breaks down USD CNHS, what I think that it should come down and hit our profit target. So the price is where we have opened with a couple of pips profit. Let me look at the hourly candle. Okay, so hourly candle is bearish. To me, we might see some breakdown on USD CNHS. I hope so, and it should hit our 2 times profit target on this one. So which is around on USD CNHS, the pip is different, but around 400 pip profit target on this one. So let's see what happened, guys and girls. So let me look at, okay, Forex, USD CNHS, yeah, very good. So the euro dollar, yeah, so let's look at euro dollar, guys. What's happening with euro dollar? Let's find out. Euro dollar, okay, euro dollar, let me look at the bigger picture. I always look at the bigger picture monthly. Okay, so monthly euro dollar is long time bearish, guys. Okay, now this is the last monthly candle close. To me, it's also bearish, right? Now what might happen on this one is, one probability is to price still to go up, probably will in this monthly neckline, and from that zone, okay, we could see rejection. So let's look at weekly. The price already has gone up. Okay, there is a probability now for little further up, but I always try to avoid trading against the major trend. The major trend is down on euro dollar, guys, and to trade like that, what I use a magic number that I call the 4. Okay, it's called the 4. So the 4 is this number is called there is a there is a mythology. I don't know how many of you know. In Greek mythology, okay, in Greek mythology, there is a sage is called the Hermes. So he also used this magic number 4. Okay, like his symbol is magic number 4. He is a symbol of trade and merchant. So that magic number, I use the 4 that I say. So the 4 is monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Okay, so with that 4, euro dollar is not now complying. You see that I all the time tell, because monthly is a long time bearish, not complying. Weekly is a long time bearish, not complying. Daily is showing some bullish move, it's complying. So there is a contradiction between higher time frame and lower time frame. So that to resolve that, I need to see very strong bullish price action, then I will be buying euro dollar. Okay, so when I trade against the trend, a major trend, I need a very strong confluence for buying or selling, then I do that. Okay guys, let me look at gold, sir. Yeah, how to back test, okay, so back test. Okay, you can back test on trading view, very simple. See, you see this replay button, use that replay button, okay, and then click replay, okay, and then replay, right, like this, and then back test. Any strategy you can back test in trading view, in MetaTrader, everywhere you can back test. Okay, so back testing is not hard. Our strategy also back tested in our academy. All the strategy back tested, proven, but still you need to back test. The reason is, see, our brain is not designed to trust other. Our brain is designed to trust ourselves. Okay, this is how the human brains works, because by evolution we trust, we want to believe what we think. So if I tell you that, okay, I have a strategy that is back tested 1 million times, you'll trust it, you'll take a trade, but no strategy will come in the world with, 1000%, like 100% winning rate, right? There will be some losing trade. Now once you take a trade, if it is a losing trade, then you start to doubt that strategy. Now once you back test it by yourself, you see that okay, let's say you took 100 trade using that strategy by back testing. You saw that at some point back to back 3 losing trades, and then back to back 5 or 6 winning trades, you saw by your own eyes. So then what will happen when you are practically implementing that strategy? You know that there is a losing trade, you know that back of your mind, okay, I back tested this strategy, there was a losing trade 3, and after that 6 winning trades, so I still can keep faith on the strategy. When you back test it, you know that. But if you don't back test, someone else tell you, your coach or anyone, still there will have some doubt, and that will be difficult for you to run with that strategy. That is why it is important that you back test. Sometime I stop talking because sometime I stuck what I say. Anyway, you back test a strategy. So brother, all about gold and crude oil, please. Yeah, very good, thank you very much. Only forex, gold only. Yeah, gold up and down, current rate 1710. Thank you very much. Okay, so awesome, very good. Okay, Divya asks how to get VIP signals. You can go to the link, visit the link in the description area, visit the website, okay, and then click join now button, choose the plan. Once you join, you will find all the links and where you will receive the VIP signals. So you can see the top, the chat, okay. No problem, for beginners all the instructions are there. So the signals is available for everyone, beginner or advanced, no problems at all. Okay, so the news is coming in just 1 minute. Let's look at what's happened with the gold and other pairs. So Jill's job opening, okay, we'll see that what happened. And then okay, I saw, guys, look, there is a message from this Iligness M, guys. I'm just highlighting. You see this on the screen. Can I contact you regarding deposits issue? A little bit struck. It's a scam. No one listen. There's a lot of scam out there. No one pay anyone anything regarding this. If you want to join VIP program from Forex Trading User Academy, the only thing you will do is visit the website, only pay via website, or any kind of payment you will make through website, or you can use there is a live chat available on the website. Talk to the agent, they will tell you. Outside of this, don't use any other people or anyone else. Okay, so let's look at now gold. Okay, we see some movement due to the news. There is a doji on gold which is bullish. Okay, yeah, looks to me bullish. Due to the news, we see some movement. Okay. Okay, so let's see what happened. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so let's look at our USDC NHS trade, which is due to the news coming down. So let's how many of you are on this trade? Can you let me know? I know that I have sent to our VIP students, so all the VIP students should be on the trade if your brokerage is allowing. But other than this, in this YouTube live, how many of you on USDC NHS trade? I know that your broker may not allow USDC NHS because it's an exotic pair, but are you on the trade? Anyone of you? Very good, Afif. How to make confidence in trade and how to handle emotions during trade? Very good. Okay, Warren. Very good. Listen. Okay, very good question. How to handle emotion and how to very good question. Okay, so the way you can handle emotion in trading is by stick to it. Okay, this is what I can say. See, by evolution, human beings are adaptable. You need to bring your willpower, okay, and stick to it. You can use a technique that I used a lot that really helped me. It's called the negative visualization. Okay, it's a technique used by Stoics. Okay, Stoicism is a famous. I'm a kind of a Stoic. I love Stoicism. It's a philosophy. Stoics are, you can say, that the most resilient human being on earth. Okay, so if you like the Stoics, what they do, they intentionally do the hard things. Like there is quite a few famous Stoic. One is Marcus Aurelius. He is a Roman emperor. He's influenced by a slave called Epictetus. See, he was an emperor, but his guru, his coach, was a slave. His name is Epictetus. He is also a Stoic philosopher. Another Stoic philosopher is Seneca. So what Seneca used to do, he used to sleep in the kitchen floor sometimes so that he can gain resilience. So Marcus Aurelius, he is a Roman emperor. He, in his book Meditation, the name of the book is Meditation, he wrote many things. So what he used to do is, because he was an emperor, he has to perform a lot of duties every day. So what he used to do is, when he wake up in the morning, he used to visualize all kinds of worst case scenario possible, so that when practically he faced that scenario, he is not being surprised with that. Let's say he used to say in his book that I visualize that someone is coming and punching me or shouting at me. He was an emperor. No one has that courage to do that. It's a very powerful man, but he used to do that. So what he said, that when I visualize that, and then when I go to the practically on the field, if someone is angry with me, I stay cool, because I already visualized that man could slap me even. Now he is just getting angry with me, right? So it's better than worse, isn't it? So that's called the negative visualization. It's very effective. So what you can do is give your brain a lot of like negative stuff. Negative stuff is like the trading. Let's say sit down and imagine that your trade hit stop loss. Okay, because that's a stimulation that creates emotion inside us. Once you do that, like, consider worst case scenario all the time, visualize it, and make yourself resilient with that phenomena. And what will happen over time, the emotion will not come anymore, because we are adaptable. So what happens when you do not react to an emotion, you become adaptable. Simple. Again, if do not react to an emotion, you become adaptable to that emotion, you become resilient to that emotion, and that's how you can develop resilience and emotional mastery in trading. This is the key points that no one will be able to tell you. So yeah, that's the important thing that you need to understand. Are you using MetaTrader? Yeah, I use MetaTrader or TradingView on news. After news, any signal. Okay, so good day today. We gain. You see, AUD CAD has gone up again. So we gain 20 pips on AUD CAD, and we gain some on USD CNHS is coming down. All right. So USD CNHS trade has 2 times profit target. This is the trade that we are running. And I strongly believe that it will work out. Let me look at the hourly chart. Yeah, that's breaking down. That's good, guys. So in the meantime, guys, if you want to learn my strategies to know how I predict the market like that and also trade with me, you can find a link in the description area. Visit the website. You can join if you like. It's worth joining. There's a lot of plans available. If you have any question, use the live chat. So hopefully I covered most of the pairs, guys. The news announced gold has gone up as expected. We'll keep observing for the rest of the pairs, and in the meantime, yeah, I have to end the session. Looks like the euro dollar is facing resistance, so for now I'll keep observant to see what's happening. So tomorrow will be very volatile. NZD USD, so ADP non-farm employment change news will be released tomorrow. There is one news on tomorrow, and then Friday another one. So that's gonna be a very volatile week, guys. So don't miss out. You can join my program or stay tuned. And also, guys, I need a lot of likes. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for your help, and I'll see you soon in this live session tomorrow same time. I have to end this session. Hopefully you enjoyed this session, learn something. Leave a comment below also. I'll see you tomorrow, and also don't forget to join the free Telegram channel for promotions and all the update that I post on the channel. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Yeah, USD CNH is in. Okay, so let me tell you what you're gonna do. USD CNH. So USD CNHS trade that we have opened in this live session, and also we sent to our VIP students. We'll keep running it. It's an intraday trade, and let's see what happened. If you didn't manage your risk, then I'll say that close it now with profit, or manage the risk now. Close part and then manage the risk. At any point, it is not impossible to see that the price is going up like that. So yeah, I'll tell you to manage the risk. Now, one update on USD CNHS, guys. If this current candle, because I will be out of live stream, I can update to our VIP students, but if you are on the YouTube live, if this current candle on USD CNHS, okay, if current candle cannot break this low, keep in mind, if this current candle cannot break this low, then close this trade. I think it's coming down. Hopefully it should go to hit the profit target, but if it breaks, I strongly believe that it will hit our 2 times profit target on this one. Looks like that it's pushing down. That's good for us. Let it come down. Okay, but in case if cannot break this, let me tell you the exact level. So if this current price this current candle cannot break 7.05176 and cannot close below this level, then close this trade with whatever profit you have. Yeah, that's the update. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.